the mobile workforce represents the power to your success. No matter where you are in managing your supply chain cycle, traceability of materials and processes is the key to greater efficiency and business growth. Datalogic presents the MEMOR 11 family of mobile computers, bringing you optimized performance and flexibility in a market-proven design. Upgrade your workforce with the MEMOR 11 family, the ultimate choice in connectivity. Choose the Wi-Fi model to supercharge productivity within indoor premises, giving you unparalleled task accuracy. On the other hand, choose the Wi-Fi cellular version to unlock full capability for outdoor operations and field mobility. With the MEMOR 11 family, you're always covered, so why wait? Elevate your workforce now. The platform offers superior performance for common applications, enabling your workforce to complete tasks faster. Experience heightened scanning ability in dark warehouses. Increased accuracy and efficiency is possible thanks to Datalogic's exclusive green spot technology. Invest in lasting operations with MEMOR 11, built to resist knocks and drops, as well as water and dust with IP65. Wireless charging capability eliminates the risk of premature failure due to damaged or dirty contacts, helping to reduce maintenance and lowering the total cost of ownership. The long-lasting battery makes MEMOR 11 family ideal for extended shifts. Its warm swappable feature allows for battery replacement without shutting down. Productivity and continuity go hand in hand. Android Enterprise recommended keeps you up to date with the latest in security and privacy, while Datalogic's Premier service extends the life cycle of the MEMOR 11 family. Just when you thought it couldn't get any better, the MEMOR 11 family is compatible with your existing MEMOR 10 accessories. The greatest value without compromise. Increase efficiency, reduce total cost of ownership, protect your investment, and choose between models. MEMOR 11 family of mobile computers, bringing you optimized performance and flexibility in a market-proven design.